Hello, everybody, and welcome. This is Chande. Welcome to an episode of technical analysis of the S&P 500 index for the week ending May 31st, 2024. A short week in the market, but we broke below some critical resistance, i.e. the breakout level, and then we had a very sharp reversal on Friday, so let's dive in. A gentle reminder, the risk of loss in trading and past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. This is daily data for the S&P 500 index. These are the 4 days of trading this week. We broke below the key breakout level from March, but then we had a very sharp reversal to close above it. So let's take a deeper look. This is the TC Blast indicator. We've been discussing this for the past several weeks. This was a general entry area. This was a trailing stop, and you can see that today the market went below this trailing stop, so this particular strategy would be flat as the end of day today. This is daily data for the SPX with the TC Pulse exit with the default values of 10, 20, and 1. 1 is a nominal speed. The brown dots are the trailing exit, and we closed Friday just a hair below the Friday low, so we are not quite stopped out yet. But if you had used faster exit speeds, you would have been stopped out. So let's look at those. For the PALs or Parabolic Accelerating Long Stop with a nominal speed of 2, we had the blue dots, and you would have been stopped out yesterday as part of this process. This is the PALs exit with a nominal speed of 3. The exit would have occurred on Tuesday of this week. That is the first trading day of the week. So you can see that you can get completely different exits by choosing the nominal speed that you're comfortable with. This is a 5-minute chart of the S&P 500 index, and we're applying the PALS or Parabolic Accelerating Long Stop indicator using the 10-bar channel as the entry, the 20-bar low as a starting price, and 1 as a nominal speed. So we were in a strong descent, then we had a reversal, a breakout on the 10-bar, and then we kept going higher. And this is how the parabolic exit would have looked. So of course we didn't know what exactly would have happened, but the parabolic exit or the PALS exit would have given you both an entry point and an exit point, and of course you could have exited at the end of the day. This is the 5-minute SPX chart with the blast indicator. This is a buy low and adaptive stop strategy. So we are in a strong downtrend. The orange line is the trigger line. We have some activity above the line, so that gives us the entry point, and then we would have followed the trailing stop, and of course you could have exited at the end again. This is the 5-minute chart with the TC FAMA indicator, the fully adaptive moving average, with the default values of 5, 30, 5 and 9. That is, the length varies between 5 and 30 bars. The delay was between 5 and 9 bars. We're using a 100-bar calculation period for the average true range, and we are plotting one width above and below. So for example, here during the first part of the day we had a strong downtrend, so the breakout or the breakdown was clear. We had a reversal, then a breakout, and then of course you could have followed it with any of the other trailing stops. A 5-minute chart again, this time with the two bands. So we have the 1x ATR bands and the 2x ATR bands. And once again, the breakdown here in the start of the day is clear. And then of course the 2x band would be getting in after the 1x band. So there's some lag getting in, but you have more of a filter. And then you could have taken it all the way to the end of the day. So all the tools I've used are at TrendSpider.com. Remember, for the past several weeks, we've been saying that we are looking for a sustained improvement in the inflation data to come. And the PCE data this week was in line with expectations, so that helped. And they would like the unemployment or the employment data to gradually decelerate. We have the unemployment report next Friday and the FOMC meeting the following week. So the market will be preparing for that all week long. Thank you for listening, and I hope you will like and subscribe.